Okay, I'm sleeping on the couch. In our house, I'm sleeping on the couch just because I caught you red-handed with a vibrator. Like, do you really like always use that thing on my absence? Huh?
Can we, not talk about that, please?
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay. But I want to know, because I bought you flowers yesterday and you just throw them away. I want to know why. I want to know why.
Because they remind me of funerals.
Funerals? Really? Huh. You don't talk much. You're always not in the mood. You're to my girlfriend. That's fine. Okay. But I just want you to open up to me.
Haven't slept with a man in over a year and a half. You, there?
Yeah, I'm here. Just processing. That's all. Oh my god. You haven't had sex for 18 months?
Oh my god. Out of all that, that's all you got.
Oh, come on. I'm not gay, you know.